Banville down the wing, throws a pass back in front. O'Brien shoots and scores. Wrist shot through traffic, big rebound. Curry fires and scores. Then Josh Curry prances on the rebound, makes a move. The Rocket have tied the hockey game up at 1. Marcotte through the middle. Here's Croteau. Works in. Croteau fires and scores. Hofflin around Graves. Hofflin in. Fires. Scores. Cross for Hofflin. Hofflin steps. Fires. Scores. Here we go. O'Brien, lots of moves in his bag, makes the move, backhand, forehand, scores. Oh. And so Bernard, one-on-one with Jacob Brennan. Bernard's got a great shot, fires right in to the crest. Another dangerous, that top line. Trudeau, Bissonnette and O'Brien. Trudeau lugs in, makes the move, backhand, scores. And so Marcotte must score. Pressure on Marcotte. One-on-one, takes a shot, save is made, game's over. As the Rocket lose this one by a score of 4-3 in a shootout.